Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I'm Cindy and I'll be creating this look, the super blue icy hue that I really like. This was also super easy to make, so I hope you can really follow through this tutorial and create your own look. Starting off with this primer by Revlon. It's the Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. And then for the foundation, I'm going to be using this Catrice HD Liquid Coverage. I heard this is a great dupe for Fenty because it does oxidize and the Fenty one does oxidize as well. I mean, not that it being the main point of being a dupe, but it has a similar finishing touch to it. I'm using this Indonesian brand called Matte for Makeup. Now that we have our base on, I'm gonna give it more coverage by adding concealers. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal and the L'Oreal True Match. I start with the light color first. If you've seen the title of this video, you probably already know that I'm gonna be working some blue eyes magic. But that's also because I realized I've never really used my blue shadows, even though I have like 5 palettes probably. So this is a great time for me to actually use them. So here I have the Morphe 35B, which is like very colorful shades. As you can see, they also have some blue shades in here. And I also have the My Little Pony Colourpop collection. It's not really blue, like this part is kind of like emerald-ish. This is a really pretty snuzzle color. So as this transition shade, I'm gonna be using Hoola bronzer. Actually, bronzers are a really great transition shade if you don't have any, you know, shade that you don't think it will work. You can gear towards your bronzers. On the outer corners, I'm gonna be using this emerald shade called Twilight on this palette. I'm just doing this as a base off on what I'm gonna be working on in the next couple minutes, just to lay down that template of the V that I really like. I do this a lot just because, you know, I want to make sure that the line is still straight. You don't want to tug on your skin, so just do it lightly. Then I'm gonna use my fingers for this beautiful blue shade. I'm gonna put this all over the lid. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I feel like you can also make it more pigmented by using wet hands or wet brush, but I don't see the need for it because it's already so pigmented. And then I'm gonna just like bring it down. My eyes are like on the smaller side. I like clean up because you know what, our brushes are not tailored to everyone's eye shape and size. So it's totally normal if you like. The most important part is adjusting it and making it look decent. It's not gonna be perfect every time you create your eyeshadow, but just don't give up. So I haven't really got the chance to play with this Golden State of Mind palette, but they have like this amazing shimmers. I'm gonna use this one on the inner corners of my eyes. It's very icy-ish. I'm gonna put on my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Mega Glow Multi-Stick from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Light Up My Hibiscus. Just to add some color, but like not making it my main focus. I think for this eye look, since I already had eyelash extensions on, I don't think eyeliner would be necessary unless you want like the full, even like more extent. Make this look a little bit more matte since I'm oily. Just gonna put it on the most important parts, but I think I don't want it to be too matte, you know. Next thing, I'm gonna put on this super basic lipstick called Touch of Nude. I want the eyes to still stand out. Holy shit, that's pink. Putting this Bumble shade on. Hey guys, my camera died again. Not surprising. Anyways, I finished with the eyes, so I'm gonna continue with my highlight. And for the lips, it was like pretty bold, so I just tapped the residue with my blender. Fun part of the highlighter, since we're going all blue, I'm gonna also use this blue one by Colourpop, the same color that we use on the inner part, inner tears, inner duct, inner corner of your eyes, using this multi-purpose brush from Wet n Wild, because I'm too lazy to grab a new brush. If you have the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight, that's like also blue-ish, you can use that, since we're trying to be all drugstore today, or drugstore price point. Actually, my favorite nude of all nude is this Clay Crush by Maybelline. I can only get it in the US. They don't have it in Doe. Pretty new. I'm gonna use this Fenty one that I used to ombre. So that is it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like this look, and I think it's super easy to make. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment down below on what other kinds of videos you want to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.